Hey guys, it's Jen. I'm back today with another grocery haul and meal plan for you. I'm doing a voiceover for part of this video just because the sound was a little bit messed up. So there you see me with my coffee getting ready to go into the store. Here's a quick look at what I got. I went to Walmart and HyVee today. At Walmart, I spent a total of $384, and at HyVee, I spent $127. Okay, so first thing I picked up from Walmart was a package of tissues and some hefty slider bags. Those were actually on a rebate for Ibotta. And then we needed some more floss picks, so I just got the Oral-B 3D white. We all use those at night when we floss our teeth. Kira needed some socks, and so I picked her up a package of those. And then Connor has actually grown out of all of his swim trunks, and so I picked him up a cheap pair since he's doing lessons right now. Kira's been asking for some more hair stuff, so I got her some glitter headbands and then just some plain hair ties. We always seem to run out of those. I picked up a loofah for myself for the shower, and then just have on hand some additional band-aids. These are the Disney emoji ones. They're super cute. I also picked up this Keratin Protein No Frizz hair treatment. I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to wait until the weekend until I can do it at night and leave it in my hair for a while. And then we also needed some hangers. Since we've moved, we have a lot more closet space, and so I picked up some of those. And then these alcohol prep pads, I actually use those to sanitize our thermometers when we're done using them, so I picked up a package of those. This Rubbermaid clear container was on an Ibotta rebate. It was around $2.50 after the rebate. I love those for my lunches to take to work. I also got Adam some Axe spray. He needed some more of that. Picked up some Cottonelle wipes. I had a coupon for these as well as an Ibotta rebate. And then this was on clearance in the kitchen section. It's a Farberware strainer. I've been looking for one of these to strain small things like can of oranges or beans. And then Connor has needed an extra sheet set, and that one was on clearance for $11, so I picked that up. I also got some Kleenex hand towels. We use those for napkins for dinner, and then some Tide scented Downy Unstoppables. I love those for my laundry. I picked up this super cute jar of eggs. This is just a decoration. I think this was around $4, but I'm going to use that in my kitchen. And then just some detangler for the kids. We use that in the mornings before school. They usually take showers at night. I got some leather wipes for the couch. And then I picked up these new Love Beauty and Planet shampoo and conditioner. These are awesome. I love them. I've been using them for a couple days. They smell really good, and they make my hair really silky. I picked up a face mask. I've used this brand before. I like it. It tingles just a little bit and helps with breakouts. We also needed just some new glasses, and so I picked up a 4-pack of these small ones for juice or cocktails. That was around $5. I got my dog Murphy some brushing chews by Milkbone. He loves those. And then I got a big package of the pepperoni treats for him. Okay, I picked up also this storage bin from the home section. I thought I'd use this to take things up and down the stairs when I'm cleaning the house, and that's worked out well so far. This is also the Swiffer Wet Jet Wood formula that I use on my hardwood floors. Love that stuff. And then I also got some apricot scrub as well. We needed some new throw pillows for the living room, and our couch is gray, so I ended up picking up these black and white ones. And then I also got this really beautiful floral arrangement in the spring section. I just think it's so pretty, and it really goes well on my entryway table. And then here's a look at those cute Easter eggs in my 3-tiered stand that I have in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I got for groceries. I'm out here in the garage fridge, just 'cause some of the beverages are out here. So I got some of this Angry Orchard Rosé cider beer, which is really good if you haven't tried it. I also got some of this bubbly cherry sparkling water, which I just tried a can, and it's really good. It's new. I haven't seen it before. And I also got some Diet Wild Cherry Pepsi. What else? I think that's it for out here, so now I'll go inside and show you the rest. Okay, so I got a big jug of Simply orange juice. That's one of our favorites. I also got some of these Mission Garden spinach wraps. I'm using those for lunches, and then also for some St. Patrick's Day lunches for the kids. From HyVee, I got just a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that are marinated. We're going to grill out tonight. It's supposed to be nice, so I got those for the grill. I got some string cheese. I got some bologna for both Adam and the kids, like that for sandwiches. I got some Kool-Aid jammers for the kids' lunches. And then I got some of this Barilla Veggie Rotini. This is for St. Patrick's Day lunches. When you boil this pasta, it comes out green, so I thought that would be fun. I've never bought these before, but they're good, and I've seen other people buy them. They're a little bit pricey, but it's like a huge package. These are the Land O'Lakes White American slices. Really, really good. I just got a 4-pack of vanilla yogurt to take to work with granola. I also got this smoked sausage for the grill tonight, and then also some Nathan's skinless hot dogs for the grill as well. Just some medium cheddar cheese, some Hillshire Farms turkey breast, and then they were out of the white cranberry strawberry juice, so I thought we'd try the white cranberry peach. Hopefully it's good also. And then I got a bottle of champagne. We might have some mimosas today. And then I also got a bottle of Tassel Ridge Candle Glow Red. It said this is like a moderately sweet red wine, so I thought I'd try that. I got some toaster strudels. The kids really like these for breakfast. These were also on Ibotta rebate. I got some lemon lime jello for St. Patrick's Day lunches. And then some of these Gilbert's chicken sausage. This is the Aloha. It's got pineapple, ginger, and brown sugar. I've had these before. They're really, really good. I got 3 of these Panino pepperoni wraps. It's just like pepperoni with mozzarella cheese. And these are really good. The kids really like those, and sometimes they take them in their lunches. I got some of the Castlewood shaved ham. I got some chicken patties. These are just for quick meals for the kids. I got some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. We're going to do barbecue pork one night this week. I also got some onion dip. This is for a recipe. A couple M&Ms for lunches and treats. And then I got this. This is like Mio. It's the pineapple mango, great value water flavor. We really like that. I got some sauerkraut to go with the smoked sausage for tonight. And then I also got a can of crushed tomatoes just to have in the pantry. I got a jar of the Classico 4-cheese tomato cream sauce. I haven't tried this yet, but it looks really good, so I thought we'd give that a try. I also got 2 of the Prego Alfredo sauce. I got a box of Sheldon cheese, a container of half and half for my coffee, and then these were also on Ibotta rebate. They're the VA Energy. I've had these before, but I haven't had them for a while. They're really good. I was out of canola oil, and then I also got some Triscuits just for snacks. And then over here, I just have some of these breakfast burritos. These are probably not the healthiest thing, but they are pretty good, and we like them for breakfast during the week. It's the egg, sausage, cheese, and potato. Those just come in the freezer section, and you get 12 of them in here for like $8. And then I also got some produce and different things from HyVee. Some of this stuff is from Walmart, but I kind of just put it all together. So I got some organic brown eggs, some crescent rolls, 2 packages of dried beef for a recipe. I don't know if you guys have ever tried these, but they're the Tortilla Land Uncooked Tortillas, and these are really good. They come raw, and then like you can just cook them up on your griddle or in a pan, and they taste really fresh. They're really good. We also ate some of this for lunch. I made wraps, some shredded lettuce. I got a bag of Gardettos just for snacking. I got 2 cans of SpaghettiOs with meatballs for the kids. A thing of maraschino cherries. Also not the healthiest thing, corned beef hash, but I like to have it once in a while. It's one of my guilty pleasures. I got a cream of chicken and a cream of celery for a recipe. And then I got some jarred peaches to eat with cottage cheese. I got some canned peas just to have in the pantry. New England clam chowder, that's for Adam. He likes that for lunches. And then some tomato sauce also for a recipe. I got a lime. I got some green leaf lettuce, some strawberries, some potato salad for grilling out tonight. I got some asparagus. We might throw that on the grill as well. I also got a bag of potatoes for a recipe, and I was out in the pantry. A bag of coleslaw mix. I'm going to do coleslaw with barbecue pork this week. I got a cucumber, a green pepper, some celery, and then I got some of these slider buns, some regular hot dog buns, and then the normal honey wheat Sara Lee bread that I like for sandwiches. I got a few green apples, some pears, which they actually looked pretty good, and they feel like they might be almost ripe. Some oranges, a fresh pineapple, some baby carrots, and some cherry tomatoes. So now I will show you the meal plan. Okay, so for this week's menu plan. Today is Sunday, and I was going to do tacos tonight, but since it's so nice outside, we're actually going to grill out. So I'll just move that to another week. Monday, I'm going to make barbecue pork in the crock pot, and I have some buns. I have some tater tots in the freezer, and I'll make some coleslaw to go with that. Tuesday, we have parent-teacher conferences for the kids, so we're just going to eat Subway. I got some coupons in my purse that I can use for that. Wednesday, this was Adam's request this week. He wants me to make cream beef on toast, which is something that he always used to have as a kid and really enjoys. And then we're just going to have cottage cheese and fruit. Thursday, we're having Park City stew, which is like a beef stew in the crock pot. I'll show you guys that in a what's for dinner video. And then we'll just have some crescent rolls with that. And then Friday night is always pizza night. There's no school that day. I always kind of leave Saturday blank just because I'm not sure what we're going to have going on then. So that's my meal plan and grocery haul for the week. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. And if you're not subscribed, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing so you can get lots more fun meal and grocery inspiration. Have a great day.